Welcome back to Scooter Gang, guys. This is a special edition. You might be asking why I'm wearing an orange jumpsuit, because I'm a scooter criminal. At least that's what happens in a lot of countries around the world still. Even providing a basic scooter up to a hyper scooter, any of it, you'll be classified as a criminal. So that's why this Halloween, I've dressed up as a criminal to sort of bring awareness to the scooter laws around the world that are quite unfair. Here in Iowa City, we're allowed to ride any scooter anywhere with no problems. And I believe the whole world should be like that. So that's why we're giving away both of these two scooters. We're gonna announce one right now and one at the end of the video. So stick around, see if you're a lucky winner. Shout out to New and shout out to Inmotion. Some of my favorite brands of scooters. You guys should check them out if you like electric scooters. But some countries around the world, my eyes are on you. I'm a scooter criminal. If I go to, say, United Kingdom, Germany even, riding something like this, you're a convict. 2025, we need to start working on updating and changing these laws worldwide for everybody. I know this is not my usual style of video here. This isn't really a review. We just did this to have some fun for Halloween and also to bring a little bit of awareness to scooter laws for anybody watching that doesn't know anything about this. In the UK, I think any scooter makes you a criminal. In Germany, I think anything over 12 miles an hour makes you a criminal, which is criminal in itself that is the law. Ready? Yeah. Or should we follow him? I guess that's our move. Let's get it. I'm not racing. If we get pulled over, it's gonna be for our donuts, not for our speed. This is my high visibility suit, you know? After too many cars get too close calls with me, all I wear is orange. That's it. That's the only thing I wanna wear. Catch me if you can, suckers! Please don't, please don't. We're criminals, get out of the way! Criminals coming through. Criminals don't use their turn signals. Nah, criminals don't have license plates, you know that? Or licenses. Alright, real talk, guys. What do you do when two criminals rolling through town and you can't do anything about it? What's up, bro? Where's your jumpsuit, man? You know you gotta be all orange, you know? Just kidding. You too, bro. Let me plug real quick. Brother, your flat tire, you can bring it to my store. I'll fix it for you. There you go. They're on the porch taking a video of you, Jordan. Criminals coming through. You good? You good? Gucci, Gucci, Gucci? Okay. Yeah! Criminal. Where's all the cops at? That's what I'm wondering. See some more criminal activity. Yeah. Ooh, look up at the chalk. Inmates on the loose. This is what happens when you jailbreak. Woo! And we're gone. You're never gonna catch us. No! Escape the police. Yeah, it's a little nipply out here. You must be wearing those cake things, aren't you? No? This could be an ad for cakes right now. It's like 40 degrees. You can't even see them. You can see mine probably. I forgot I did a donut on there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.